General, good to see you. Our exoskeleton's got real firepower, General Slocum.
Well, if it does what you say it, Jan, I'll sign that contract tomorrow.
18, 17, 16.
It's clear, let's go!
I assume you're confident about this test?
Absolutely. Captain Curtis is our top pilot. Now, what about your commitment to Oscorp?
Nothing would please me more than to put Norman Osborn out of business.
Reflight complete. Mark.
We are picking up an unidentified object, closing fast.
What the hell is that?
Can you see anything?
Oh my god!
Say cheers! Cheers!
Peter! Oh, my darling. I'm so proud of you. You look so handsome up there.
E? Good news. My father got the place in New York, so we're all set this fall.
Oh, that's great.
You made it. It's not the first time I've been proven wrong. Congratulations.
Thanks, Dad.
PR, the Science Award. That's terrific.
Yeah.
I know this has been a difficult time for you, but I want you to try to enjoy this day. Commencement. The end of one thing, the start of something new.
You anymore.
Fine.
Here's my ring.
You know what? Whatever. You're the boss.
You're like a brother to him. That makes you family. And if you ever need anything, just give me a call.
Can I fix you something?
No thanks.
I know. I miss him too. But he was there.
I can't help thinking about the last thing I said to him. He tried to tell me something important, and I threw it in his face.
You loved him. And he loved you. He never doubted the man you'd grow into. How you were meant for great things. You won't disappoint him.
Great power comes great responsibility. Remember that, Pete. Remember that.